Welcome to the channel The Practical Study. Guys, let's discuss how a clamp meter works. As you can see on your screen, this is DC voltage. Now this is AC voltage. This is ohm, this is hertz, this is temperature of cable. Now this is the ampere of the cable, which we now going to discuss. Other functions we are already discussed in our previous video, how to use multimeter. Now as you can see that I have just opened the clamp and just put a wire inside of the clamp and it is showing ampere. Now if you want to hold the amperes, because after removing it is going to 0. Now as you can see that if you want to hold this, you have to push this button. After pushing this button, you will be able to see your amperes will be saved on your screen.